In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn background image. First, log into your LinkedIn account. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage. From here, click your profile icon to open your profile. At the top right of your profile banner, you'll see a small camera icon. Click that. You'll get options to add or change your cover image. If you have premium, you might also see a Create a Slide option, but in this walkthrough, we'll use the standard Add Cover Image option so everyone can follow along. LinkedIn may offer built-in templates, some powered by Lumi.ai, which you can browse and select. If none of those fit your style, you can create your own custom banner using a design tool. I'll demonstrate the idea using Canva, but feel free to use any editor you prefer, like Adobe Photoshop or another photo tool. In Canva, search for LinkedIn banner to see correctly sized templates. Choose a layout that matches your brand or industry and customize the colors, fonts, and graphics. Consider adding a clean tagline, your role, or visual elements that reflect your work. Keep privacy in mind and avoid placing personal contact details directly on the image. When your design is ready, click Share, then Download to save the file to your computer. A high-resolution image will look sharper and simple. Uncluttered designs generally perform best. Head back to LinkedIn and select Upload Single Photo. Choose the file you just saved and click Open. You'll see editing options that let you fine-tune how the banner appears. You can crop to ensure the most important parts aren't covered by your profile photo, and you can apply a filter if you want a specific mood. Use the adjustments to tweak brightness, contrast, and saturation so your image is clear and readable. If available, a subtle vignette can help keep focus toward the center but avoid overdoing it. Clarity matters more than heavy effects. Once you're happy with the preview, click Save. LinkedIn will update your profile banner right away. To verify everything looks right, view your profile as others would and check on both desktop and mobile if possible. Make sure no text is cut off and that the design remains legible at smaller sizes. And that's it, your LinkedIn background image is now updated. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.